On Thursday, May 17, one of the year's most popular cultural events took place in Washington, D.C. as embassy chefs from around the world came together to celebrate culinary diplomacy. By tradition, each chef showcases a signature dish for attendees. For this year's 10th edition, presented by TCMA, which is the private sector building and hospitality service provider of the Ronald Reagan building, nearly 30 countries from every continent competed for the top spot, tantalizing the taste buds of hundreds of visitors with sampling bites and beverages. The dishes included Filipino grilled pork, Cameroonian dole, Ivorian acheke, Haitian shrimp with plantain chips, Honduran enchiladas, Jamaican jerk chicken, Moroccan lamb shoulder, and many more. Guests also sampled authentic drinks from Moldova, Chile, Colombia, and Barbados. From cocktails to coffee, drinks of all kinds were available from all regions. Throughout the evening, attendees experienced and enjoyed the mix of global cultures with live performances by musicians and dancers from around the world. The judges' choice for the best chef went to Abigail A.B. Sinchoco Mateo, representing the Philippines. On the beverage side, the winners, mixologist Philippe Antoine and chef Greg Greenwich, came from the island nation of Barbados. Other winners included Chef Alex Salgado from Colombia and Chef Faisal Zahawi of Morocco for Best Presentation. The Embassy Chef Challenge is a part of Passport DC, a month-long celebration of Washington, D.C.'s diplomatic community. The nation's capital is home to 177 embassies. The event happens every year and is unique of its kind in the world.